What is spousal support and can I apply for it? Spousal support is money that one spouse pays to the other spouse after they separate. It may be used to make sure that the relationship breakdown doesn't leave one spouse suffering financially or compensate a spouse for the ways that they sacrifice to support their spouse's career. Spousal support is not automatic, so if you are asking for support, you must prove that you are entitled to that support. An ex-spouse is expected to work and earn money if they are able to. You can get spousal support in two ways, an agreement or a court order. If both you and your ex agree about spousal support, you can create a spousal support agreement and you can use the federal spousal support advisory guidelines as a guide to help you. Like any legal contract, this agreement must be witnessed, dated, and signed by both spouses in front of a witness and signed by the witness. It's always best to get legal advice from a lawyer, though, before you sign a legal document. If you can't come to an agreement about spousal support with your spouse, you can apply to the court for a spousal support order, but you may need to hire a lawyer or represent yourself in court. When a judge makes a decision about spousal support, they consider many factors, including the length of the relationship and the incomes of both spouses, to decide if there should be any spousal support, how much the spousal support should be, and how long it will last. They may base their decisions on the spousal support advisory guidelines, but they don't have to because the guidelines are not law. Common law or married spouses have similar entitlements to spousal support. You don't have to have been married to ask for spousal support. If you have a child together or if you've lived together for 3 or more years, you are considered common law and you can apply for spousal support. However, there are time limits. So if you were common law, you can only file for spousal support within 2 years of separation. But if you were married, you can file for spousal support within 6 years of separation. If your spousal support agreement or court order is registered with the PEI Maintenance Enforcement Program, they can help you enforce payments. Thank you for joining me for this Family Law Friday. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to our Legal Navigators and you can find their contact info in the caption, and I'll see you next Friday.